Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in previous videos we have seen how we can track our mutual fund investment using Google Sheets and also like how we can track our stock investment using Google Sheet. So today we will learn how we can track PPF investment using Google Sheet. So yes, you can track your PPF investment by going to bank sites online, but like I wanted to create a Google Sheet where you can track multiple kind of investment at a single spot. So today we will be seeing how we can do that with PPF. So let's create a new sheet. Let's put balance here. Like current balance will be 0. We will be starting from 0. Let's rename this sheet to PPF, and we will do this for financial year 2021 to 2022. Let's mark it as yellow, and let's write month here. Then what will be your monthly deposit, then whether you have deposited before 5th of the month or not, because if you have deposited before 5th, then the interest will be calculated for that month, otherwise it will not be calculated for that month. What will be the interest rate, interest calculated, and then the balance. Let's start with the financial year first month April, and then let's go till March. Let's make these bold. Let's put a table around them. Let's color it, and let's put default values here. Interest rate for this financial year was 7.1. Let's say interest calculated 0. Balance is also 0. So this will be your total balance. So it will be this. Total deposit will be sum of these two. Interest sum. Okay. So now let's invest 12,000 in April, and let's calculate the interest. So interest will be if C6 has value before 5th, then we will take this deposit for calculating the interest. So what was your balance? So balance was B3. We will add this deposit to the balance, base 6, and then we will calculate the interest, which is D6 divided by 12. We are calculating monthly, and then we will multiply this whole value by 1 by 100 to calculate the exact value. Then we can use this same formula if the value is not before 5th. So sorry, copy and paste. So here, like if the deposit made after 5th, then we will not take the deposit to calculate the interest. And there is error. So B3 plus B6 into D6 divided by 12. Oh, sorry, 1 by 100 should not be there, because multiplying by 1 by 100 is same as 1 by 100. So yes, so interest calculated is 0, and your balance will be equal to B3 plus the deposit amount plus the interest amount. So no change in balance. So if we put before 5th here, then you can see the interest is calculated for this amount. So let's put another investment for May and just drag these formula here. But now here the balance is F6, so not B4, it's F6, and here also it's F6, and the balance is this plus deposit plus interest. And now we can track. So now you can see the interest is calculated as per the balance and the deposit. So let's move this and put 18,000 here to make it 1,50,000, because that's the maximum amount you can invest in a financial year. This is the interest you earn, this is the final amount. If you do before 5th every month, interest will increase, and let's say the maximum, you want the maximum interest, then you have to put 1,50,000 at the start of the financial year before 5th of the April. This is the maximum interest you can gain. And now we have created this table, so you can just copy this, paste it. Now this will be your financial year 2022 and 2023. So what will be the balance for this? This will be the balance. Let's market this. So this is your balance, this is your investment, and this is your final balance. So total investment and total balance, profit. So total investment is this plus this, 3 lakh. Your current balance is, and your total profit is 33,870. So now add this to our total investment sheet. So remember I-23 and I-24. So let's add one row here. PPF Investment. What was here? I-23, right? So we'll use PPF sheet and we will use I-23. And here we will use I-24. Let's color them. Update the formula. And now you can see this was your investment, total investment, current value. This is your total profit. What is okay? So this is how you can track your PPF investment using Google Sheet. You can add the values monthly or yearly as you like, and you can track it. So in next coming up videos, the videos that are coming, we will add more things that we can add here and we can track using Google Sheet. So stay tuned, and please do subscribe my channel and do like the video. Thank you.